Hi everyone, we just wrapped up our first sprint on the martial arts gym scheduler and we're looking forward to sharing what our team has accomplished. We were able to achieve our sprint goal, which was to establish Scrum setup and workflow, delivering a rebranded martial arts gym scheduling system with a new name, logo, and updated splash screen at the startup. And we were able to deliver 9 user stories. The first one, this was from user story number 1, worked on by William McCracken. New splash screen with branding. That was what we added, and the business value of this is it increased the professional look of the software and improved the first impression for users. So here you can also see the login capability, the login authentication worked on by Tyler Prim for user story number 10. So he implemented a username slash password login system, which increased security and multi-user functionality foundation. So another feature that had been added is the application stability. This was worked on by Tyler Prim also. So from user story number 3, so he was able to fix the minimize slash relaunch functionality. So here, I'll show you the example. So here is the memoranda or the martial arts gym scheduling system that we have created, and the minimize functionality works. Now I'm going to go down and reopen it, relaunch it, and it works seamlessly.
User story number 4, as a user, I want the icons and labels in the left navigation panel to clearly represent their functionality so that I can quickly understand and navigate the application. You can see here, added these 2 icons that were new from the ones that were previously there, so that just as proof of concept. User story number 5, as a user, I want the symbols, language English to display correctly so that I can understand the UI and it is consistent. So here on the right for events, it's the only place I could find Spanish. It was originally in Spanish, and I just made sure to change all of the text to English.
Yes, so so that those previous 2 stories that had been mentioned were both worked on by Nick Hader. The next feature is the tab color consistency that is from user story number 7. I worked on this one. My name is Kit Siegel. So I made the tab colors visually consistent and readable, adding the business value of increasing the professionality look of the software and the visual hierarchy. So if a feature or if a tab is selected, then the tab color is green, but if it's not selected, it's gray. I also worked on the look and feel preferences. So right here, I fixed and updated user preference settings, and the business value added here is the personalized user experience. The next one is the trainer management. That's the new feature. This is from user story number 18, worked on by Ayad Ganem. So he added the capability to add trainers with belt rank and training rank. The business value for this is it increases operational efficiency and quality assurance for class assignments. So when he opened memoranda, there's the new trainers button here at the very bottom, and there's a name field for the trainer, the belt rank, and the training rank. And the last one has to do with technical foundation. This is from user story number 9, worked on by Zachary Davis. The feature is code quality validation. So here he shows the report that was built upon running the program on IntelliJ, and there's a list of warnings. So he was able to complete the code quality audit, and so the business value for this is that we are sure that we have a clean code baseline and we can have smooth sprints in the future. So he ran it with different JDK versions, and for all of these versions, the build was always successful. Okay, additionally, this is what our sprint backlog now looks like for sprint 1 planning. So we have closed the tasks for user story number 1, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. So number 8, no, we didn't actually close that. It needs more information, and so we'll probably be working on that for the next sprint. We closed user story number 9 and number 10 and number 18. So a total of 9 user stories had been completed for this sprint. Yes, that's it. Thank you.